Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna make this cute earrings. So this was basically a order of mine, and me and my client had gone through a lot of stuff to do what to do and what not to do because she wanted some customized stuff, whether to add these beads, that beads, and a lot. And finally uh, we had done these cute earrings, and so then I thought that let's share this tutorial with you all. So but this is very easy to make. It's just that for the conceptualization you have to take a time, and you'll come to know that they are so easy to make while watching this tutorial. So I really had a fun while making this for my client, and I hope that you will also enjoy watching this tutorial. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So to make this cute earrings, we first need the base. So you just have to draw the shape and then cut it on the cardboard. And then we'll take this fabric. This was matching my client's requirement. So I'll just take this fabric, and with the help of Favibond glue, we will take this. So as this is the curvy part and not the straight part, we have to be very careful while sticking it, and we'll make sure that there is no overlapping of fabric or anything is there. So make sure to wrap it very properly, and then I'll also cover this front straight part quickly. So guys, I have done this and this is how it looks. Now we'll add these eye pins to this. So again we'll add the ample amount of glue to these curves. So in the mid of these curves we'll add this glue, and wherein we will stick these eye pins. So make sure to add it very ample, and also in the center, so that we can add the earring stud. So we'll add these eye pins quickly, and also I'll again remind you to add more glue to this. So this is how it will look. So do let me know in the comments below how was. So I'll quickly add the back finishing fabric to that. So back finishing is done now, and this is how it looks. And now we'll add these teardrop beads in this. So for that I'm taking this bead. This is a teardrop bead and it's a glass bead. And now we'll add this zero size pearl in this laria, and then we'll add the teardrop bead. Okay, then we'll add some pearls, l'oreal. So they are pearl l'oreal, so few pearl l'oreals, and then I'll add one pink l'oreal in this to match with this overall fabric and stud. And then again we'll add these pearl l'oreals in that. So you just have to match with the vibes. I added this pink l'oreal because it looks cute. And then we'll add this to the eye pin. So we have to do this for all. If you want, so then to wrap it also take the help of plier if you can't do with the mere hands. So this is how it will be. So in this way we have to do for all. So I'll quickly do for others, and I have done. And now we'll do the stud part. No, sorry, I just forget. Now I have to embellish this base, front base. So for that we'll add this chain here with the help of this glue. So I have added the glue, and then we'll just put the chain on that, and cut the extra part. And in the same way we'll do for these curves. So the reason that I use this Favibond glue is that it dries very quickly, and the whatever object is there, it gets sticked very quickly, that you just don't have to wait for the glue to get dry. So that's why I always use this glue while making the jewelry, like at least while making the tutorial, as I have to make it quick. I shoot my tutorials in my office, if you know. So then in the same way we have to do for all. Now we'll add the straight line. So again for that we'll add the straight line glue, and then we'll add this chain in that. So this is how it will look. And now in this angle we felt that it is quite empty, so we'll add this golden bead in that. You can add any other charm if you have like a long kind of charm, like long half teardrop beads or anything. So you have just have to add it to make it more beautiful. In the same way I'll do for all and quickly come back to you. So now this is done, our base is done, and this has all has been dried up and all. And now we'll make the earring stud. So for that I'm taking this, we have to take any charm that is available, and to which will match with your vibe, and then add this stick it with the help of this glue. And as it was deep, so I added first bead here, and then will above that I'll add that earring stud, and then with the and then to avoid to hide this stuff, we'll add the back finishing fabric to this. So again with the help of Fevibond glue now. So first you have to add the stud with the help of that glue. Vega bound is the name, it is available in the market. And then this fabric we will attach with the help of Fevibond glue, and then cut the extra fabric. So with this, the stud is also ready, and now we will attach it with the help of jump ring. So first I'll attach the jump ring here, add the jump ring here, and I'll close the jump ring because it's easy for me to attach it to the base. I'll show you why. So now I have closed this jump ring, and then we have a eye pin here, right? So if you keep the jump ring open and eye pin closed, it's very hard for me at least to close it loop. So I have closed the jump ring and I have opened this eye pin, and then we'll add this jump ring in this eye pin here, and then close the loop. You can also add with bare eye pins only, but it doesn't give much movement. So that's it guys, with this these cute earrings are ready, and though they look big, they are so lightweight and very easy to carry on, and they look very unique look to your overall attire. So do try to make these earrings at home, and do let me know how was your experience while making these earrings. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to press the subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. See you soon. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.